In this video, we'll show the process of waterproofing a rusty balcony using the Lava 20 waterproofing system. Here are the benefits of the Lava 20 waterproofing system. This system offers a durable 25-year warranty, along with essential certifications such as BBA, CE, etc. It's versatile and suitable for a wide range of surfaces, including timber, asphalt, built-up roofing burr, concrete, tiles and more.
Today, we're going to be installing the Lava 20 on 4 balconies. I'm going to take you through a stage-by-stage process of how we do it, so come on through. As you can see, there's been numerous attempts at repairs. They've used Aquapole, bitumen. The final attempt was a torch-on felt. We've removed most of the felt. Once we have all the felt removed, we're going to grind down the complete surface to get it as smooth as possible. As you can see, the extent of the damage. This is one of the areas where the leak was coming through. It's completely rotten. This is the reason why we stress so much. Preparation is key. Okay, once we've carried out all the prep work on the balconies, we need to apply a Lava 20 primer to the complete substrates. We've applied the primer to the complete substrate. Now we're ready to install the Lava 20. Once we've applied 2 coats of the Lava 20 along with the strop strand matting, the final coat will be a dark grey, incorporating an anti-slip finish.